Hi guys, Group 5 here. We are going to show you how to make Coco-Clock. But before that, let me introduce ourselves. Here is the materials. Usable clock. Coconut shell that has been cleaned. 3 pieces of bamboo that have been cut into 3 different sizes. A board that I have cut into small. Glue gun. Flashlight with cable and the battery. And the last is salt. Step 1. Measure the clock diameter and remember it. Step 2. Cut a small part from 2 sides of coconut shell according to the clock diameter that has been measured. Step 3. Insert the flashlight into the coconut shell that has been cut. Attach the clock to the one side of the coconut shell that has been cut and glue it with glue gun. Take one of the remaining pieces and glue it under the coconut shell. So, that will be the stand for the coconut shell. Next step, glue the 3 pieces of bamboo together. Now, glue it to the board. The last step, glue the coconut shell that has stand on it to the board. Ta-da! That's it! That is how to make Coco-Clock. We are Group 5 here. Bye!